In this video, I'll go through Work Together problem 16-1 from page 473 of our Century 21 Accounting Advanced Edition 11 textbook, which is by Gilbertson Lehman. So credit to them for this book and this problem. So we are preparing an income statement with a contribution margin. Remember, usually an income statement is going to have expenses split between things like our selling expenses and our administrative expenses. But this time we're going to split them up into variable and fixed. And the reason for that is so that we can show this contribution margin, okay? So let's get started. Still, the first thing is going to be operating revenue. Okay, and under that title, we're going to have, net sales. And in our text, we've been doing in parentheses the amount of square feet, which is 100,000, or 104,000, sorry. And that's going to be at the price of, where does it say? $8, right below it. Okay. So then this number is going to be 104,000 times $8, 832,000 net sales. Now we're going to do our variable costs. The first one's going to be cost of merchandise sold. Okay, and that is, again, 104,000 in square feet at $4.50. So we'll do equals 104,000 times 4.5 is $468,000. And now we'll do sales commissions. That's our first of our selling expenses over there. And that is 104,000 at 0.64. Okay. And 0.64, 66,560, okay. The next one down there is delivery expense, or delivery cost. We'll go with delivery expense though. Okay, so that's 104,000 at $1. Okay. We just know that that's 104,000. All right, then we have other variable selling expenses. We'll do that one next. And 104,000 times 70 cents. $72,800. And it looks like we have variable administrative expenses down here, so we'll put that one on. And that's 104,000 square feet times 60 cents. All right, now I think if I look through, that's it for variable. The rest of these are fixed, so we'll put them on the fixed cost area. So total variable costs, and that will go over here into this next column, and we'll just do a sum function on those to add them up. And we should do a thick bottom border there just to show that there's an addition. So then we'll get our contribution margin. And that is just simple subtraction. There it is. Okay, next thing, fixed costs. What's our first one I see is rent expense. and it's just $7,600. Insurance expense, wow, I spelled poorly. And that is 900. And other fixed selling costs. Where was that one? Oh, up here. 14,240. And then fixed administrative down at the bottom. $25,080. So we will total fixed costs. I'm going to format painter that guy. And then I'm going to do a sum. So we have total fixed costs of $47,820, which leaves us with our net income after we subtract. Of $10,420. Okay, so this one we probably better do borders to make it stand out. Okay, so I believe that is it for the income statement, but now we need to come down here and figure out what is our contribution margin per unit. Well, it should be pretty easy. We'll just grab our contribution margin from up here, which is 58,240. Our number of units sold was 104,000. Remember we used that throughout this whole deal. And then we'll just divide. So the contribution margin per unit sold is 56 cents. Okay? So what is our contribution margin rate? There again, we'll take our contribution. Our net sales was 832,000 up here. So we'll just do some simple division again. And that is going to be in a percentage. So 7%. That is it for 16-1.